symbol look like? Because I think that's really succinct and powerful at the same time.
It's important, right? It's what does that picture mean for you? Because it could mean something totally different for somebody else, right? That symbol of friends I had could just mean entertainment for somebody else. It's a TV show, right? So it could mean something else to somebody else, but it's whatever holds meaning to you. And yeah, those things are important. As long as you can draw that quickly as well. If you actually drawing a picture of several friends, I think that'll take you a long time. So you don't want to do that. But yeah, as long as they're relevant and they connect with you, then yes, perfect. Anything else? Cool.
I don't know. So I've stumbled upon this as well. So when setting goals, you don't just say, oh, I need to do this, but also the result oriented. You need to think of what I want to achieve in that period of time, not just do it.
Yeah, because otherwise it just becomes like writing a list, doesn't it, really?
Yeah.
You're just going to think about what you're going to do and just write it down, and not actually think about what result it's going to give me. Like I said, drawing lines, connecting the dots and saying, right, yeah, this is how it feeds into that. And then you know that I'm doing this for a reason and it's purposeful. It takes on a whole other dimension when you do this for 10 years or 15 years, or indeed 25 years of your life, okay? So, again, consider doing this. Even if you don't sign up to the program and do this with me when I sit there and make you do it, right? Do commit to doing something like this because it will help you out. And I actually do this with my wife when we sit down once every 6 months or so and we review the whole thing. 25 years to now, what's changed? Because who thinks that somewhere down the line your goals are going to change, right? Stuff happens, things come up, problems happen, you might move to a different country, right? So, different things can happen that can shift your goals. So that's one of the things that people say to me, what if it doesn't work out that way? Have I completely screwed up my whole life now, 25 years? But no, things happen, things change. Any questions?
It's been really good. When you do your daily planner like that, and you write down next to and do connection with the picture, do you have whilst we think in pictures, there are also some people who are much more kinesthetic or auditory.
Yeah.
What would you suggest for them if they are not if the way they do things is slightly different?
Yeah. One thing that changes the whole dynamic of doing an exercise like that is if you do it with somebody as well.
Yeah.
So if you have you may not have someone to do it with, but if you do, then you say, hey look, what are you going to do tomorrow? Because here's what I'm thinking about doing. And that actually elicits all three types, because it's kinesthetic because there's feelings involved and you're connecting with the person. Also, writing down itself is a kinesthetic exercise. Auditory, you're connecting, you're talking to someone, you're listening, and you're engaging in that kind of way. So yes, if you're definitely auditory, then you have to do it with somebody. If you don't have someone to do it with, then you can actually get guided meditations that have to do with manifesting your goals and things like that, and that's again auditory. And while you're still doing the paper exercise, you can listen to things that are positive, things that are going to help you to make better decisions. Any other questions? Cool. So welcome to our new attendees. Thank you for coming. You just missed like the best presentation ever. Okay, second to Susan, which you also did the best ever. And she's also a fantastic mentor. So when you get a chance, do. Yeah? Awesome. So here's the thing. I've put together a small package of what I coach around. Again, it's the GAP formula that you've all seen. And the way I do this is I do this over 3 months. And there's a reason for this. I have one-on-one sessions with you, and we do this every 2 weeks. So it ends up being about 6 sessions. And we normally do these either in person or online, and usually if it's online you get the recording as well, which is fantastic because you can then review it, when you're like, what the hell was CJ on about there, because I've totally forgotten. And it does tend to happen, right? So you get 6 bi-weekly sessions, or fortnightly, you also get recordings of those, which are infinitely more valuable because you can shut me up or you can rewind and replay. You can also become part of a private mastermind group. Now, who enjoyed the bit in the exercises where we actually got advice from other people and had some ideas on how we can make our goals happen faster? Who valued that exercise? Yeah? Who here has been a part of a mastermind group before? And has gained value from it? Yeah? Now, I've put values to these things because that's the kind of thing you do at seminars. You put values to things and it looks like it's incredible value and you're giving people, actually, you can't really put a price on a thing like that, right? Having the value of somebody else's 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever years experience, right, and whatever they've learned from other people, bringing that to the table in a peer group kind of environment where there's no judgment, there's no one telling you you're a screw up or you failed or don't do that, why do you think you're doing that, why do I start a business for? You know, you've all had those naysayers, you know. There's none of that there. So it's infinitely more valuable than what's actually on here. And also you get value, you get membership to what is known as the Founders Club, where if you're working with me directly, eventually I'm going to have coaches that will do this stuff with, you know, for me. So they'll do the coaching, they'll do the one-on-one sessions, and you know, it helps spread the message further because I can't be in one place at one time. Right? But that one-on-one element is crucial. So any other programs, any other coaching programs that I come out with, any other paid events that I come out with, which we're actually planning a couple of paid events in the very near future as well. Now, some of you have businesses here, some of you are starting or thinking about starting businesses, and again, the value of Mastermind is infinitely valuable. But we're also going to be doing an implementation day for marketing and things like that. So, getting your social media marketing handled, getting your systems handled for your business, things like that. Things that we kind of, in our own business, we tend to do bits here and there. We try to find time in our busy, hectic lives to do a bit of marketing or connect with someone there or find somebody on LinkedIn or, you know, post some Facebook ads. So we try and find all the time to do these things, but really, we do not a fantastic job of it, you know, at the best of times. And even if we do a good job, it takes a bloody long time to actually get anything physically done. So we're going to be holding an implementation day where you sit there and you physically make these systems and create these things, and that will be a paid event. But being a part of Founders Club means that you get A, preferential prices, and B, you get shared loads of stuff for free as well. So we like free. Who likes free? Yeah. I like free. So I'll put the value again at 1997, but really it's again infinitely more valuable than that because some of the programs we'll be coming out with are going to be £2,000-3,000 because they're intensive. They're like year-long programs. They're programs that are going to turn your life around, not just one area of your life, multiple areas of your life. And also, you're going to be having a 2-hour one-on-one discovery session with me. Now, when people normally sell a coaching package with X amount of sessions, they'll normally say, okay, first session, let's sit down and figure out what you actually want. Well, actually, you just wasted a whole session just figuring out where you are right now. And you know, you're not even started on actually the transformation work. So the transformation work starts in the 6 weekly sessions. You get a bonus session with me one-on-one. That's to really pinpoint where you are right now, why you're there, where you want to be, why you want to be there. All the stuff that we've just done in the long-term goal setting, we start with that because if you don't know where you're going, it doesn't matter where you're going. Right? So, the total value here is £4,088. My maths isn't brilliant, but that's what Excel told me that is true, okay? £4,088. Now, of course, I'm not going to charge you £4,088 today. If you leave the room and you try and get any of these things from me separately, then they'll cost you a lot more. Okay? Fact. I'm going to be giving you this whole thing, the whole package, for only $497. All that value. So who here sees a lot of value in terms of the weekly sessions that you get, bi-weekly sessions? Yeah? Who's gained a lot of value out of today's session where we just spent an hour and 15 minutes talking about your long-term goals? Who's got a lot of value out of that? Yeah? Imagine how much you can achieve in 6 times that. Right? And for those of you who know that, you know what, it's really valuable for me to invest in myself because that's the only thing that's going to get me further in life. And you all know the saying, whatever we've been doing up to now has only got us to where we are right now. If we want to do something, we've got to do something else, something new, learn new things, learn new skills, develop our existing skills as well, and that will help us get to where we want to be. So, Again, your investment today is 497, and I'm only opening this up for 8 slots, and I've got a seminar I'm delivering in 2 weeks' time, where I'm also going to present this offer. The whole package is only open for 8 spaces. So, guys, if you have any questions, come talk to me at the back of the room, and we can help you get started on getting your life back and closing the gap for you. Thank you.
Thank you, CJ. I've seen you do the goals thing before, and I was writing stuff down then. And the second time round, the first time round I found it really difficult. The second time round's been a bit easier. But it's also been interesting is that first time round I saw you do it when we did an event on the 4th of June, and I sat and wrote the goal signs. And do you know, I haven't really thought much about it since. Sitting there writing today, and then I was thinking about from the 4th of June to now, and how much has happened, and how much is starting to come in my life and happen and do. I'm now making the connection. Actually, do you know what? I think that probably started from you. So first of all, thank you very much. And I'm obviously going to need to do a lot more of this. And I hope